Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Satria Airsoft. Okay, right now I gonna show you I gonna shooting the watermelon. I gonna shooting with my airgun. This is called Defender Series 19 wind gun 321 upgrade with power, gas, CO2, and the pellet BB is metal. I using metal BB. This is 6mm caliber 6mm, and this is already safety lock like this. This is full metal, not plastic material. Okay, let's start to shooting my watermelon. This is my favorite fruit. Do you like it? I like it, watermelon. This is so nice and yeah, so good for vitamin. Okay, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Check it out. First step, I gonna fill my BB like this. I fill this magazine. Okay, maybe just, oh no, this over, man. I just put 3 or 4 metal BB here. Okay, like this. I pull the spring. Sorry. Okay, I feel that 1, 2, 3 pieces. I think it's enough for penetration here. Okay, I close here. I close the grip. Okay, let's begin. Okay, here we go. Let's begin, guys. I'm gonna show you to shooting the watermelon with my airgun wind gun 321 upgrade with power, gas, CO2, and BB metal here. And I close my grip. Okay, check it out. Okay, first shoot. This distance is with 2 meter, just close distance, yes. Okay, first shoot. Sorry, safety lock first. I forget, man. Okay, 1, 2. Second shoot. 1, 2. Three shoot. 1, 2. Oh my god. Let's check, man. Oh man, the baby inside here. Oh nice. 1, 2, 3. I see hole here, 3 hole here. Look it, man. 1, 2, 3 hole. Oh my god, man. Front and back, from here and until here, like this, man. Wow, this is so powerful. I shoot here and the baby out from here. So nice, man. Nice. Wow, 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 wow. It's crazy power with my airgun. Colt Defender wind gun Series 90 321 upgrade. Okay, thank you for watching. Don't forget subscribe and like and share. Thank you. Comment below if you have comment. Thank you guys. See you next time. Subscribe.